Hello little weirdos, welcome to another video, and today we are going out again. Today we are going to TK MAXX at Claire's, and this is Spookathon episode number 15. If you like this sort of video, if you like the Halloween content in general, please consider subscribing to this channel. We are going to have a lot more of this coming your way. Oh, please also thumbs up to this video and leave me a comment down below for suggestions for future videos. Alright, let's start our tour. Okay, so you've just seen how TK MAXX was, and now let's see. I'll take a quick look at Claire's, but I am not that optimistic because they are usually a bit expensive for my taste. So let's see Claire's. So this was Claire's, as I mentioned. No high expectations. Really expensive. I really liked that first earring that has like that moon with the stones hanging. It was actually really light, but for €7, come on Claire's, come on. Hey guys, so I was just about to end this video. I was just going to start to edit right now, but I have decided to take a look at Claire's website to see if I missed something new. And as you can see, it's not like huge sales, but it seems a fair reduction. So something that it's hugely expensive, it just gets meh, alright. But the thing that I was like, oh my god, I need to go back to Claire's to get it, is that earring. That it was the only earring that I actually like picked and looked and stared at it for a long time. That is this little guy over here. Where is it? Where are you? It's right over here. Yeah. So this guy, this little earring, I absolutely loved it. I really want it. As from 7, it would be $4.19, so 40% off, and that's a fair price in my point of view. It's not expensive, it's not cheap. So I decided I'm going to go back to Claire's. And to make things better, I registered in the website and I got a discount code. So I advise you, if you want a little bit of more discount, you should register to the site. Okay, so up to this moment, I had decided at the time that since I was going out on the following day, I would just try to use the discount code that I got at a physical store. But as you're about to see, not everything goes according to plan. Okay, so I'm at Stephen's Green Shopping Center. Let's see if at these Claire's I have that earring that I'm looking for. Otherwise, later today we are going to Blah regardless, so let's try this one. Okay, so I just left Claire's and the lady there mentioned to me that the prices that I saw on the website are only to the website. In store, it's other prices, like the full price that I showed you guys in the beginning of the video. So that's it. If you want something on the sale, I'm gonna have to buy from the website. I don't have footage of this moment, but what I decided was, okay, so I'm going to buy the earring at the website and I'm going to use click and collect, so I could collect it on the next 3 following business days or something like this on my nearest Claire's. But when I went to the website and I tried to purchase it, first of all, it didn't accept my code. I tried everything and it didn't accept. Secondly, I tried without a code, but it didn't accept any of the cars that I have, which are here from Ireland. So I thought this must be something personal, and I tried my husband's car and it also didn't accept. So I gave it a 3rd strike and I thought I'm going to try on the next following day, and it was sold out. So my overall experience is that I'm really frustrated about this, and yeah, let's see if I can ever come across this earring again face to face in store. But honestly, I feel really frustrated at the service, and the lady at the store at Stephen's Green, she was like, oh, the sales on the website are for specific items. They have different items on the website than we have in store, and if you like take a look, they are exactly same items. So anyways guys, this was today's video. I am so sorry I don't have footage for you to end this video, but I'm gonna leave you with my frustrated face. Alright guys, see you next time. Bye!